This is the BikeStow Original Storm, a freestanding bike rack designed specifically for transporting or storing bikes in truck beds or in the outdoors. It's an exterior grade evolution of our trusted in-van original rack and is built to keep your bikes safe and secure without the need for a bulky rack or permanent installation. There's no drilling or mounting required. The rack is completely freestanding. Simply unfold it, place it in your truck bed and tie it down with the provided cargo straps before loading in your bikes. When you need your space back, fold it up and take it out and off you go. Each bike is held securely at 3 points equidistant around the wheel using our patented geometry and sliding V. This gives you ultimate stability when driving over rough and uneven terrain and means there's no frame contact, so you won't have any rubbing, damage or scratches to your frame. The V-sliders quickly adjust to different tyre widths and wheel diameters, meaning you can load a mix of bikes without changing setup. And because everything stays in the truck bed, it keeps your bikes clean and brake discs free of road oil and debris, especially when it's raining. While the Storm's main purpose is to transport bikes inside truck beds, it can also double up as a wash stand, garage storage, or campsite parking. Even when the Storm is unfolded and loaded up with bikes in your truck, it doesn't block your hitch access or cover any cameras or sensors, unlike other solutions. To use the Storm, simply unfold it and place it in your truck bed. Then use the provided cargo straps to strap it in place on either side down to your cargo loops. To load a bike, undo the thumb screw, lift the V-slider and roll your bike in. Then lower the V-slider, lock the thumb screw and off you go. If you've got a short bed truck like this, then you leave the tailgate down, and if you wish you can put a net across or a bed extender. And if you've got a long bed truck, then of course you just lift the tailgate up. To rack multiple mountain bikes, lower them all in rearwards, starting with the lowest and shortest bike and finishing with the tallest and longest. Turn the front wheel and the handlebars to get them neatly close together. For road bikes or bikes with drop bars, load them in alternating heads and tails, forwards and backwards. Its water-resistant construction, aluminium V-sliders and stainless steel hardware means it's designed for heavy-duty outdoor use in mud, rain and harsh weather conditions, not just your clean storage environments. The Storm has got non-slip rubber feet which really help keep it in place, but if you've got an extra slippy truck bed that's made of hard plastic, then we do offer a rubber floor mat that keeps your bed clean and adds an extra bit of grip. The Storm fits wheel sizes from 26 inches to 29 inches with up to 3-inch wide tyre width, covering road bikes, gravel bikes, mountain bikes and full-fat e-bikes. It's designed with wider spacing between each bike, giving you plenty of room between e-bikes with big down tubes and wide pedals. The Storm arrives almost fully assembled. Simply remove the placeholder bolts, add the washers and the thumb screws and you're ready to go. Like all our products, the BikeStow Original Storm is made in-house in Stourbridge, United Kingdom. It's CNC machined, hand finished and carefully assembled, built for durability and real outdoor use.